Extend your visibility underwater. Introducing the Oculus Multibeam sonar integrated with the Blueye X3 ROV. Whether you're a diver, inspector, or part of a rescue team, underwater tasks become very challenging when the water visibility is low. Without the right tools, critical tasks can become almost impossible. Sonars help significantly in understanding the underwater environment beyond what the camera can provide you. The Oculus sonar from Blueprint Subsea seamlessly integrates with the Blueye X3 ROV, offering a high-resolution view of up to 120 meters. Perfect for murky water, this sonar provides the spatial awareness needed to navigate and locate critical underwater objects. Equipped with dual-frequency capabilities, the Oculus M-750D delivers sharp imagery and adaptability for varying conditions. Its tiltable mount, which you control using the Blueye app, allows for 30 degrees of adjustment, ensuring optimal scanning of the underwater environment. Designed for simplicity and mobility, the Oculus sonar easily attaches and detaches from the Blueye X3 ROV using a specially designed skid. It is fully integrated and maintains the ROV's drivability while offering superior scanning abilities. The sonar viewer is fully integrated into the Blueye app, allowing you to measure objects using touch, adjust gain and range, record and capture images, and export files for further data processing. The sonar viewer is also available for co-pilots running the Blueye app on a secondary device. From locating sunken vessels to inspecting infrastructure or aiding in search and recovery missions, the Oculus Multibeam sonar brings invaluable capabilities to underwater operations. Whether exploring the unknown, conducting critical inspections, or locating missing persons, the Oculus Multibeam sonar empowers you to see what others can't. Discover how the Oculus Multibeam sonar can transform your underwater operations. Visit us at blueyerobotics.com to learn more.